Christmas makeup look. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Whoa. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nia, and for today's video, as you probably see from the title, it's gonna be a Christmas makeup look. A Christmas makeup look. As you probably see, it's gonna be a simple one. So if you're gonna spend your Christmas day with your family or in a simple location, you can use this makeup if you want to. But if you are not like a simple person like me, subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna create another Christmas makeup look, but crazy, like something more me. So make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can watch this video as well. And yeah, that's it. As you probably see, I already did my base, and if you guys want to know which product I use, just go in the description down below and you're gonna find all the products that I use for my base, for my contouring, for my, that's it, what the fuck, yeah, that's it. And let's move into the video now.